Guys, look, I'm here directly from the construction site, handing over this apartment and this project to my client, and I want to give you a very important tip, both decorative and functional, for your kitchen. Here I have the induction cooktop installed in my client's stone countertop, which we installed and included in the project, and I also have the oven here that he bought for us to install for him as well, okay? What's the tip? Pay attention, there are some oven models that need a little grill up here so the hot air can escape and the oven gets the ventilation it needs. Anyway, this model here already has ventilation coming out through here and also down here, okay? This specific model here. When you're buying your oven, okay, pay close attention to the information. Product specifications, if it needs this little grate here for you to install, right? For the air to come out, or if the air already comes out through here and here. Why? This will greatly affect your cabinetry. You'll need to put that little grate here. And for example, back here, I left a gap in space for another vent that's also coming out on the side. But even so, besides the model itself requiring it here, I also left it in the back. So the tip for you is this, especially pay attention. There's a cooktop on top and an oven below, which is the classic setup here. It also helps you make the most of the space in your kitchen. When you can't put it in the tall oven cabinet, you put the cooktop here and the oven here. Look at this, the air will come out here and it will come out here in this model. In the other case, you need to put that little grill here. So you need to have a considerable distance here between the top of the oven and the underside of the cooktop there. You'll have to put that little grill there, okay? That's a very important tip for you. In fact, this is a model I like to use in my projects, this oven model here, where the air comes out here and doesn't require the use of that little grill, all right? Same goes for the cooktop. Both are from excellent brands. I'm not going to advertise any brands here, that's up to you, but they are excellent brands for you to choose from. I'll leave for you down below in the description of this video the link where you can buy this model, the model I recommend to my clients, including the gas oven, okay? This one is a gas oven. There's also an electric one of the same model, you just have to choose. And the induction cooktop, which I really like to use in my projects, induction cooktop, okay? The link for both is down below in the description of this video. So keep this tip in mind when you're renovating or building your kitchen. The oven model will determine whether or not you'll have this vent grill, okay? Share this video with the people you need to. You know, you need this information. Help me share it, like and subscribe, because this is very important information for safety and also for aesthetics, right? Issue with the small grill here, okay? Take care. See you in the next video.